Now, let's assume we've entered our prompt, and Storyline's AI assistant has returned its response. Using our Addy example, we asked for a short paragraph, and the AI assistant generated something like, "The Addy model is a framework for instructional design, guiding you through 5 phases: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Each phase helps create effective learning experiences by ensuring that educational goals are met and learners' needs are addressed throughout the process." When you select the insert text icon and the AI assistant generates a response, Storyline immediately creates a new text box on the slide in the style defined by your layout. However, that text box stays empty until you choose Insert from the AI assistant's menu. Once you select Insert, Storyline populates the text box with the AI assistant's response using your layout's default font style, size, and color. If you want to use the AI-generated text somewhere else, such as the Notes panel for narration, you can choose Copy instead of Insert. This copies the full response so you can paste it wherever you need it. If you select Continue Writing, the AI assistant will generate an additional paragraph that follows the same tone, structure, and level of detail as the original. This option is especially helpful when the initial response is good, but you want to expand on it without writing a brand new prompt. And finally, if you decide you don't want to use the AI assistant's response at all, you can select Cancel. When you do, the empty text box that Storyline created will disappear, leaving your slide exactly as it was before, and the insert text windows will close.